Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to delete your MetaMask wallet. It's important to understand that this process primarily removes the browser extension and its local data. Your actual crypto assets and Ethereum address remain secure on the blockchain, accessible with your seed phrase. Always ensure your seed phrase is safely backed up before you begin. This guide focuses on removing the local instance of your wallet, not permanently erasing your blockchain presence. Let's get started with the first step. The first step is to remove the MetaMask extension from your browser. Look for the MetaMask Fox icon, usually found in the upper right corner of your browser's toolbar. Once you spot it, simply right-click on the icon. A small menu will appear, giving you several options. From this menu, select the option that says Remove from Chrome or Remove from Firefox, depending on your browser. Confirm the removal when prompted, and the extension will be uninstalled. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please consider hitting that like button and subscribing to the channel for more useful content. Quick recommendation: staying hydrated is key, especially when you're focused. Check out the Oala water bottle. It's fantastic for keeping your drinks cold and accessible. You can find a link to the Oala bottle and other great deals in the video description below. Now, let's get back to the video. After removing the extension, you might want to clear any remaining browser data associated with MetaMask for a complete fresh start. To do this, go into your browser's settings or preferences. Look for the section related to privacy and security or browsing data. Here, you can choose to clear cookies and other site data. While not strictly necessary for wallet deletion, it ensures no residual information is left behind. This step helps maintain your browser's cleanliness.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.